A collective noun refers to a group or collection of people, animals, or things. It represents a singular entity made up of multiple individuals. For example, a team of players, a herd of cattle, or a school of fishes. These three words, school, herd, and team, they refer to the collective nouns. They are used to refer to groups. They are often treated as singular. In simple terms, a collective noun is a singular noun that refers to a group or collection. These are common in English and are used so to simplify language. Let's take a few more examples in order to understand the concept. So these are a few more examples. A flight of horses has arrived to join the race. Over here, a flight of horses, this word flight, this refers to collective noun, and a flight is going to take a singular verb, that is has. A flight has arrived to join the race. And a flight of what? Of horses. Same goes for this. The stone pelters threw a volley of stones at police. So it should be stones over here. A volley of stones. So this word volley, this refers to collective noun, and this is special for stones. So the stone pelters threw what? A volley of stones. So this word VOLLEY, this is pet for this one, stones. So a volley of stones at police. Then the tourist got attacked by a pack of wolves. So over here, pack of wolves, this word pack refers to collective noun, and this is pack of wolves. So the tourist got attacked by a pack of wolves. A convoy of trucks was sent to the border. Over here, the word convoy, this is specially meant coined for truck. A convoy of trucks. So this refers to collective noun, and this is a convoy, and it takes a singular verb, that is was, and it matches the convoy. One convoy was. But this convoy has got more than one people in it, or more than one vehicles in it. A sudden wind swept a pile of leaves. So again, a pile of leaves is referring to the collection of leaves. So a sudden wind swept a pile of leaves. So this one is a collective noun. A regiment of enemy troops was caught. A regiment is actually the collection of troops. So this is a collective noun, and it is going to take singular verb, that is was, and it matches the subject. A regiment was caught. So a regiment of enemy troops. Normally regiment of troops is taken as collective noun. The crew of ships demanded a raise in pay. So the crew of ships, the crew demanded. So this crew is going to have more than one ships. So many ships they are going to make, means crew is actually not meant to be a ship, rather it is the people who work on ships. So crew of ships. So this crew is referring to many people who are working on ships. So that's why it is a singular, and it is going to take a singular verb. A gang of dacoits robbed villagers at night. A gang, and it is normally referred as gang of decades, and this is singular, it is going to take a singular verb. Now let's have a few more examples and let's do it together. How can we use this? The bird has, then there is a blank space of feathers on top of head. What is the collective noun for this? That is going to be tuft. A bird has a tuft of feathers, tuft of feathers on top of head. Then the monk wears blank space of beads, and these monks wear that. The monk wears string of beads. A string of beads refers to collective nouns, so this word is collective noun. A blank space of bullet shorts rang out. A blank space of bullet shorts rang out. So we have to use volley over here. A volley of bullet shorts rang out. So this is going to be the collective noun over here. And it is always to be mentioned with bullets. There is a blank space of rules to be known. There is a set of rules to be known. Then the two countries are separated by blank space of mountains. The two countries are separated by a range of mountains. So this range is also a collective noun. Now, to conclude, we can say that when the members of a collective noun perform an action as individuals, then the plural verb should be used for a collective noun. And if the entity acts together, then a singular verb should be used. Like take this example, the committee are divided in its opinion. Now this is the collective noun, and over here the members or the individuals, they are not having the same opinion, so we are going to put a plural verb over here. But if I say the committee was of the same opinion, then we are going to use was, that is a singular verb. But over here there is division amongst the committee members, so the committee are divided in its opinion. But once they are having a unanimous opinion or they are having a unanimous decision, then the singular verb will be used. As this example, the audience was spellbound. So all of the people sitting, they were listening, and we are going to have this singular verb because all of them, they were feeling that spell. So the audience was spellbound. So it takes a singular verb. So we know that when the members of a collective noun perform an action as individuals, then the plural verb should be used for a collective noun. But if the entity acts together, in this case it is acting together, then a singular verb should be used.